Hi, my name's Dawn and I've been delivering the Youth Health Champion training now for about 5 years. I do that for the Royal Society of Public Health and I also work with them to help train up new trainers to go out and deliver this programme. So I've been working with the team in Waltham Forest, training up new trainers to go out and deliver this training. For me, the thing I love most about the Youth Health Champion programme is seeing young people get interested, get curious and even excited about talking about health and well-being in a different way. So we all know about physical health and we all are getting better at talking about mental health. But really with the Youth Health Champion programme, it's understanding that it can take one person to support someone to help them make changes that can make them feel better. And watching young people get involved to design their own health campaigns, to start talking to other young people about how we can all support our health and well-being better is really exciting to me. And every time I deliver the programme, it's different because young people just come up with the most amazing ideas for their programmes. So it's definitely seeing the development in young people that I love the most. For me, the most important thing about Youth Health Champions is that young people don't always want to talk to adults about what's going on for them. Sometimes that can be really daunting, and the easiest and quickest sometimes thing to do is have a chat with a peer about it. And when we work with the Youth Health Champions, we help them understand that they don't have to have all the answers for everyone. They don't have to make things better. Really, the power is being able to listen to someone non-judgmentally, to hear their story, and then be able to signpost them to further help and support if they feel that they need it. The response that we've had to the training has been really varied, from young people getting up in assemblies and talking about things that they've become really passionate about and wanting to share those messages. We've had some intergenerational work, so young people actually going out and talking to adults about health and well-being and promoting positive messages to them. And I think the main thing is making sure that whether it's in a community setting or a school setting, that young people feel that they have some control over their own health and well-being, and seeing a group of young peers get involved and get excited about talking about health and well-being in a way that makes it accessible for all the other young people is really something key. And I think the young people, first of all, they really value the fact that it's a qualification, and especially with the kind of COVID lens on things, a lot of young people didn't get a chance to do their exams that they were thinking they were going to do this year. So especially this year, we've been using it as a way of getting a qualification for young people, something that they can feel really proud about, that they've worked towards. I think the Youth Health Champion programme is really transferable. For me, it can be a first step into a career. So young people who are maybe interested in doing health and social care studies, working with young people going forwards, who want to do anything related to health and well-being, and there's such a wide mix of jobs in this sector now. So I think it's a brilliant introduction to working in health and social care. I think there's loads of transferable skills, probably the most transferable being the fact it teaches you how to be non-judgmental when we work with people. And that applies in all aspects of life: home, work, family, friends. You know, if we can be non-judgmental and really speak to people where they are and hear their story without putting our own judgments onto it, I think that's probably the most transferable skill. And if we think about the 5 ways to well-being, the most evidence-based way of keeping ourselves healthy and happy is through connection with other people. So being able to do that in a non-judgmental way, again, which is a key skill of the Youth Health Champion training, I think is something that young people can take with them into the rest of their lives.